Hi, Dr. Jensen. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing. We are a local Chico chiropractic marketing agency. And today I'm going to show you just a quick video on a few things you can start applying right away that's going to help you bring in more new patients. So, as you can see, we're on your website. And it looks like you have a nice looking website. Looks like you have some content. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you is that the rule of thumb for your homepage is there should be about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, and that breaks down to about 150 words for every local buyer intent keyword that you're trying to target. Those are the keywords that you're going to want to rank for to be on the first page of Google. And most patients may not know the name of your practice, so it's important that you're using proper keywords that your patients may be searching for to find you. So unfortunately, Google does not rank your website based upon appearance. They use robots called crawlers that go and index all of your pages looking for the content and the keywords so that they can put your website in front of those new patients. So you're going to need additional pages on your website, whether it's for different types of chiropractic services you offer or different types of treatments that you offer. Um, you're going to want those additional pages because you're going to need that content. You need those keywords so that new patients can find you. Let's take a look at your top competitor for the search term Reading chiropractors, and that's going to be Churn Creek Chiropractic. Um, they also have a nice looking site, and as you can see, they have a ton of content. And they're going after those local keywords that are really important. So in order to be able to beat these guys, you're going to need to add a lot more content to your website. You're going to need to add those additional pages that we just talked about to go after those keywords. Because as you can see, they have a bunch of pages. This is a ton of content. And your website needs to have more content, more keywords. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is this is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to understand how your website is performing. And as you can see right here, you have a domain rating of a 0.2 out of 100. That is pretty low, and that means the trust flow for Google is pretty low because they don't trust your website right now. And that's because of your referring domains and backlinks. You only have 78, so you need quite a few more backlinks. And not all backlinks are created equal, so you need to make sure they're high authority backlinks. Because of the lack of content, you are only being indexed for 41 keywords, which is only bringing you 16 people to your website on average per month. But when we look at Churn Creek, they also have a low trust authority score. They have 202 backlinks. Looks like most of their backlinks are pointed at their homepage, which can actually hurt them a little bit. They need to have backlinks pointed to all their service pages, treatments, and all of that kind of thing. So you'll need to do the same thing, but you're going to need to get more. You need more backlinks and higher quality ones. Because of the amount of content, they're actually being indexed for over 500 different keywords, which is what is generating traffic of over 482 people to their website on average every month. Um, So what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant they are to your industry and your services, the more authority it has and the more power it's going to give you. So it's really important that you're going out and getting those authoritative backlinks, and your content, keywords, and backlinks all work together. So it's important that you have those backlinks that are tied to those keywords on all of your pages so that you can be found for all of the different services and treatments that you offer. And one last thing I want to talk about is the Google Maps or Google My Business. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for your keywords in your area. This is a very competitive spot, and that's because 30% of people, when they're searching, come straight to the maps and they either click to call or go straight to your website and won't go any further. So if you're not in this top 3, you're handing the new patients off to your competition. In order to be in the top 3, there's a bunch of different factors, but the biggest one is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, and your phone number and website, and having those listed in a bunch of different places like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, etc. So you need a bunch more of those citations than your top competitors. So now, Dr. Jensen's, if you follow these tips that I've provided you today, your website can be #1 in Google in the Reading area. And I'm sure you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can take this information I provided and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you do decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and help bringing in those new patients, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.